civil uprisings, and the Indigo Rebellion was about the peasant not wanting to grow indigo but being forced to grow at a price that was unacceptable. Who among the following was a leader of the Indigo Revolt? Digambar Biswas or Vishnu Charan Biswas? Who wrote the famous play Nil Darpan, which depicts the oppression of indigo farmer Dinbandhu Mitra? Who was the founder of Nil Darpan, a book written on miserable condition of indigo farmer Dinbandhu Mitra? Who wrote the play Nil Darpan, Dinbandhu? Which rebellion is mentioned in Bankim Chand Chatterjee novel Anandmat Sannyasi? Which rebellion is mentioned in Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay Anandmat Sannyasi? आनंदमठ में सन्यासी. रामोसी कृषक जथा in Maharashtra. Vasudev Balwant Phadke. The correct geographical location of Ramosi uprising, Western Ghat. Vaghera uprising, Baroda. Who founded Pagalpanthi? Karram Shah. Trace the tribe that rebelled against Britishers because human sacrifice system was banned. Kondh tribe. तमिलनाडु से बंगाल तक हुआ था, सेंट्रल इंडिया में भी पहुंच गया था ये. Which tribal leader was involved in the tribal rebellion against British authority in the Garo Hills region of present-day Meghalaya in late 90s? Patogan Sangama was a Garo tribal leader who revolted against British officer, present-day Garo Hill region, Meghalaya. He attained martyrdom in December. Exceptional bravery and courage. Who opposed the exploitative power against the new system of tax? संथाल ऑफ बिहार 55-56 में हुआ था, ये 1855-56. कोल म्यूटिनी ऑफ 1831 अंडर बुद्धू भगत टुक प्लेस इन विच सिंहभूम रीजन में हुआ था, 1831 बुद्धू भगत. हो रिवोल्ट टुक प्लेस ड्यूरिंग 1820-21 सिंहभूम डिस्ट्रिक्ट झारखंड का, 1820-21. ताना भगत मूवमेंट इज रिलेटेड टू फ्रॉम ट्राइबल मूवमेंट. दिस मूवमेंट बिगेन इन छोटा नागपुर रीजन, झारखंड, 1914. दिस मूवमेंट लेड बाय जत्रा भगत एंड तूरिया भगत, also known as Oran Tana Bhagat movement. Tana Bhagat movement, a non-violent movement against British rule, originated among the tribal community of which Indian state? Jharkhand. Which of the following event happened first? संथाल 1855-56, बिरसा मुंडा 1899, 1900, ताना भगत 1914. Kuka movement was organized by Guru Ram Singh. Kuka movement similar to Bahavi movement, 1840. Bhagat Jawahar Mal, Sian Sahib. It turned a political movement by led Ram Singh, 1872. Leader Rangoon. ठीक है. What was the initial objective of Kuka movement in Punjab? To purify Sikhism. Mopla movement of 8020 was a branch of खिलाफत मूवमेंट, मलाबार केरल प्रोविंस में हुआ था. मोपला रिवोल्ट 1821 टुक प्लेस इन केरल. मोपला रिवोल्ट केरल. तिभागा मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड इन 1946 फ्रॉम बंगाल अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ किसान सभा. Tibhaga movement in Bengal during the 1940 demanded 1/3 of the crop bill given to the sharecroppers. Development of education in modern India. Wood Dispatch recommended English as a medium of instruction for higher study. It laid stress on female education and vocational training. Why did Macaulay issue the famous minute on Indian education? When did 2 फरवरी 1835। Who said a single shelf of good European library was worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia? T.B. Macaulay. The foundation of modern education system in India was laid in Wood Macaulay Minute 1835. To what was Wood Dispatch of 1854 related? So, more than one of the above. Magna Carta of Indian education emphasized modern education, made provision for establishing university in 3 presidencies, Bombay, Kolkata, on the pattern of University of London. Also recommended setting of Department of Public Instruction in each province. In which year BHU established? 1916. मदन मोहन मालवीय. 1902 Lord Curzon appointed a university commission including 2 Indian members who were Syed Hussain Bilgrami, Justice Gurudas Banerjee. Passed the Indian University Act 1904 implementation strict control on Indian University. Curzon. In which year Indian University Act passed? 1904. 1817 Who founded the Hindu College in Calcutta? David Hare. Established of Fort William College in Calcutta 1800 में to train civil servant in Indian language. When the National Council of Education established? 15 अगस्त 1906. 15 अगस्त 1906. Which of the following was not objective of Indian National Congress as point out of by W.C. Banerjee 1825? First session of INC Congress. Umesh Chandra Chatterjee promote contact and friendship among protector of interest of the country, to promote feeling of nationalism among fellow countrymen by removing the feeling of caste racism, communalism and regional bias, to express viewpoint of the necessary social issues with due consent of the educated class, to determine on which direction and on which basis to work has to be done in the coming year of Indian public interest. When did British government appoint Sadler University Commission for Reform in Education? 1917. By whom the Asiatic Society established in Calcutta? William Jones.